in the tropics, starting with this disturbance here. If we do see development off of a frontal boundary, it'll just drift off to the north, so shouldn't be an issue for us here in Southwest Florida. Following with this disturbance, an Invest 92L over the coming days going to be encountering some very strong upper level winds, so not much potential for further development, but still something to keep our eyes on. And just forming this morning, we have Tropical Depression 7 just off of the coast of Africa, actually currently dealing with some Saharan dust, so likely to not see any further strengthening, at least over the next couple of days. Still quite a bit of time to watch this, but with the current models, it's looking like the system will be turning out into the Atlantic, so not going to be an issue for us here in Southwest Florida. And then we have Hurricane Francine, currently a Category 1 storm with sustained winds of 90 miles per hour, moving to the northeast at 13 miles per hour, beginning to bring some rain towards the Gulf Coast. And a closer look at that track, it is going to be making landfall towards the Louisiana coastline later on today, but we will already begin to see those showers and storms and those strong winds impacting the area by the time we break into the next couple of hours. It is going to be falling apart once it loses the fuel from the Gulf of Mexico and interacting with the land, and eventually falling apart towards the end of the week as it pulls away to the north. Now, we won't be dealing with any rain or storms associated with Francine for us here in Southwest Florida, but dry air is going to be wrapping in behind the system, and that dry air is eventually going to be pushing into our direction, leading to some lighter rain chances in the forecast as we head into next week. But that's not going to be the case for today. We're still going to have some decent coverage of our showers and storms. And as of right now, as we check in with Wink Live Doppler 3X radar, you will notice very spotty. But again, that coverage will be ramping up around 2-3 o'clock this afternoon. As of right now, we're at 90 degrees in Fort Myers, heat index at 99. Temperatures looking to sit fairly close to seasonal, but once you factor in all of that moisture, we'll have feels like temperatures well into the hundreds later on today. Here's a look around 1-2 o'clock. We'll continue to see the showers and storms developing off of the sea breeze and then pushing towards the east. As we head into the 3-4 o'clock hour, we're looking at scattered showers and storms mainly to the east of I-75 and impacting our far inland communities as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. And the sea breezes will be converging as we head towards the dinner hour, so that's why we will still be seeing some scattered activity, with some isolated activity lingering after the sun sets. So over the coming days, again, just keep the umbrella handy. Scattered showers and storms for today, tomorrow, into the weekend, and then as we head into next week, we'll have that drier air filtering in, so we'll be starting off with some isolated rain and storms.
Both the Harris and Trump presidents